So we picked this bench up off the side of the road. Somebody was getting rid of it. It's a little beat up, but it's pretty cool. We'll have to fix that bar. I think this arm is a little, yep, broken. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with this strut thing right there. So we're gonna clean it up, glue stuff back together, do some paint touch-ups, but keep it pretty in the condition it's in. We like that, and it's gonna suit our needs. So let's do it. Let's go. So overall, we like that it's kind of beat. And again, this is for us. So anywhere that there's like little flakes of paint, I'm trying to get that off, you know, just to smooth it out. And then I don't have this exact yellow, so I think it would be kind of cool to give a different color. So everywhere there's like a paint chip, at least in the large spots, we're gonna paint it black. And I think it'll give it a cool effect. If it doesn't, then we'll just paint the whole thing again, but I think that's what we're gonna try. All right, so I'll clean up the paint chips a little bit, and then we'll start kind of going in with the detail for painting. So I think we got the majority of the big ones. That was a lot. I don't have a lot of bandwidth to do anymore. I don't know. I mean, interesting. We're gonna let this dry and hit the whole thing with a little bit of wax, and we should be good to go. Let's roll.